Hi. Today we are going to discuss the rest of the questions, which is in 2020 two O-level science past paper. So we have discussed 1 to 5, and today we are targeting 6 question to 10 question. So here the sixth question, what is the particle that contributes to the flow of an electric current through a metallic conductor? So as normally we know to pass electric current, we need electrons. We don't use proton, neutron or any other ions here. We use electrons to pass the current. Normally we consider the direction of electrons is from negative to positive. And normally this current passing direction, normally it goes opposite to the direction of the electron being. So it is happening. So that's why we call normally current flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. So according to this, our answer should be the electron. This is actually a direct answer question. So you don't have to analyze each and everything. You can directly get the answer. Next, we are moving to the 7th and 8th question. So you will get a question, combined question like this. So it's related to this chemical reaction, chemical equation. So there is a reaction, and this compound, actually we know what it is. It is zinc sulfate, and there is a metal, actually metal or element, or we can't tell exactly what it is. So there is an unknown thing is there, and they have labeled as M. So what you have to see is what happened to this M according to this reaction. Now you can see zinc is displaced and it has removed here, and to that place this M has joined. So now they have got a compound called MSO4. And you know sulfate, SO4, sulfate, ion is SO4 2 minus. So their valence is actually 2. You cannot see this 2 near the M. That means this 2 most probably has cut off according to the chemical formulations. We know when there is a compound making from the valency numbers, they should have changed their valencies. So here we don't see, means it has cut off because we are adding them to the simplest ratio. Okay, so actually that is the common details that I want to tell you all. So let's go to the 7th. In the above chemical equation, the metal indicated as M could be. M could be. So actually now you can see zinc has displaced. Zinc has displaced means, you know about the activity series, right? So to displace the zinc, actually the M definitely should be a metal, because it is joining to the sulfate group. Sulfate is minus. So that should be a positive one. And according to the answers, you can see all the metals are there. So zinc, we have to find out which metal is high reactive than zinc. That's why the zinc has displaced and this metal, M metal, has came to that position. So for that, actually you need to know the activity series. Now, if I share the activity series, actually, give me a second. We have, now you can see in my screen the activity series. So we have a list of activity series, which is at the top. It is most reactive, and when it goes to, least reactive. And you can see here, zinc. Zinc is in this place, and you can see there are a set of metals above the zinc. So these are the metals which is high reactive than the zinc. So potassium, sodium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, and here includes carbon. So we have to check what is the metal present in that question. So let's check according to the question, what is the answer. Okay, here we go. copper, iron, magnesium, lead. And we saw the chart there. This copper, iron, lead all below to the zinc, and we have seen magnesium at the top. So our answer is magnesium. So if you know the activity series, actually this is a simple question for you. Right. Next, we are moving to eighth question. Okay, because it is belongs to the seventh and eighth. I will keep like this. Right. Okay. Now they ask you what is the type of reaction to which the above chemical equation belongs. Okay. Now in our syllabus, we have, I take this part in your grade 10 part of book has. There are 4 types of chemical reactions. One is combination, and then the chemical decomposition, and single displacement, and double displacement. So chemical combination means 2 compounds joining, and then chemical decomposition means a compound break into different parts, and single displacement means you can see one is displaced and move out. Single displacement. So you can take it from the words there. And double displacement means in 2 compounds, 2 elements can be displaced. So here, these are the examples that we have in the syllabus. So according to this knowledge, we can find out, actually we can see only one metal has displaced. So this is definitely a single displacement. Okay, we have 2 more questions. Right, let's go. Ninth question. This is talking about actually kingdoms, animal kingdoms. So they are asking about heterotrophs. Heterotrophs means they depend on the other organisms because they cannot produce their own food. If they are producing their own food, we call they are phototrophs. But they are actually asking what are the kingdoms that only the heterotrophs. So there should not be any phototrophs. Fungi and protista. Protista actually we can see algae. So some algae have phototrophs, so we can cut out. But fungi totally heterotrophic because of the protista. The number 1 answer is wrong. And second one again protista they are, and plantae they both can be phototrophs, especially plantae phototrophs, and plantae and animalia. Because of plantae we can't take the third answer as well. And the fourth one, fungi and animalia. So fungi also all are heterotrophs, and animalia also heterotrophs. Right. Okay. 10th question, the last question of the day. Following structures, select the repeating unit of polythene. So they are not asking you to find out what is the polythene. Actually, if they ask the polythene, this is the answer. And you know, with the bracket, if there is an N, that is a polymer actually. So polythene. Polythene is made up of ethane. Ethane actually there should be single bonds, and they are asking the repeating unit. Normally, we should have 2 carbons. So first one, of course, we can cut off. So two carbon can be in second one and fourth one. So fourth one actually the ethene. Okay, and this is when they are making polymers, actually this double bond breaks. So actually this is the repeating unit. So according to this, our answer is the second one. So that's it for today. We have discussed up to 10th question. Next video you can see, we can discuss from 11th question to 15th questions. Bye-bye.